Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to see only verified users on Bumble. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already installed Bumble in my mobile device and logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now I'm simply gonna open up Bumble. Well, here's Bumble, and as you can see, from here I can swipe left or right. And let's just say I want to view only verified users on Bumble. At the top right, next to this undo button, you will find an icon like this right here. That's preferences. Click on this button right here. Then something like this will open up. Initially, we're gonna be in the basic filters. But let's slide right over to advanced filters. Once you're in the advanced filter page, the first option you see is verified profiles only. Simply toggle on this button. And as such, you have added a filter that you only want to view verified users. There are other type of filters as well. You can add any type you wish. And once everything's okay, simply hit on apply. But do note that this is a Bumble premium feature. To see only verified users, you have to be subscribed to Bumble. Well guys, that's it. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.